Mama, don't laugh. Don't say nothing. Like, just know I'm going to jail. And I love you, Mama. You'll be hold the door down.
January 10th, 2025. 2 women caught concealing merchandise at Walmart. Officers were called. This is what happened. Before a single question was asked, Subject 1 called her mother and announced she was going to jail voluntarily.
Oh, my goodness. Why y'all? You lied to me. You lied. Oh.
Ladies?
No, it's not. Hi, officer.
Hi. I'm Officer until I got a body camera.
Yes, you do.
Yes, ma'am. Do you guys have IDs on you?
No, I don't.
I got a picture. He just took it. I thought he sent it to y'all or something.
No.
I can't be serious for that.
Oh, both got pictures. You know, you're supposed to carry it on you.
Yeah, see about that. I already got the physical copy.
Do you have
We
your...
going to jail?
Huh?
We going to jail?
I don't know. Do you guys want to press charges?
Hell no. We was just being cool.
All right, man.
Let her
Stop.
let them talk to you.
Okay, you guys.
When y'all go to search them, they have our merchandise either on or under the clothes they're wearing right now.
Yeah, sure. All right.
So.
Where's everything at? Because
I just take it all. It's in my hoodie.
it's in your hoodie?
Under
Your hoodie?
Like I gotta physically
Okay, I got you.
tonight because
No, not
y'all
necessarily.
lying, bro.
Please don't go back and forth with me.
I'm not. Like I
Ask the
just.
question. So how long is it?
I can't say for certain,
That's what I
but
said.
What's
I
up
know
to
what
the
I'm
jail?
talking about.
We can't control the jail however long they take with their processing.
So would I have to like call somebody to come get me because my car is here? Right. Because yeah, no, somebody gonna have to come get us. Yeah, and I don't know your number about it. But it's my first time. It's on my bucket list.
This is not what we done. Can you check?
Numbers or something so we can call people.
so everything you have on you will be going with you. So
when they release us, we'll get all of this back.
yeah. I don't know why we. What
Everything that we
you're
actually paid for and all that. Like, where is that going?
gonna have to take that up with Walmart.
She can get her money back?
That's up to y'all if you want to. There's a couple options. Y'all kind of take the stuff with y'all, or we can do a full refund. We don't hold anything over.
Is it all this stuff?
Yes.
Let's do a
Everything in here
full.
is paid for.
Let's do a full refund.
Okay.
Because the jail's not gonna take all that.
Alex.
I know she's been cussing me
Yeah,
out.
I'm gonna fix my number too.
So bad.
It's my first time. Just one on that record.
Yeah. So
No!
I'm gonna have.
Like, y'all.
I'll get someone to
We're gonna have to sit up in there until they call
back.
us. It's gonna be a long booking
Oh
process.
wait.
I see videos. I know how this go. We finna be up in there for hours.
So is this all items?
All this up here, but down there she paid for it, and then we gave them a receipt so
Okay.
they can sort through all that.
Okay.
How did y'all pay? Cash, card?
Card.
How many different transactions? Or was it all on the same card?
It's the same card.
Okay, we need that card and we need the PIN to give y'all a full refund.
They're giving you a refund for all the stuff you bought.
Mama, don't laugh. Don't say nothing. Like, just know I'm going to jail. And I love you, Mama. You'll be hold the door down. You told me not to do this stuff. I'm sorry, Mama, if I cuss, but this is some shit. And I'm upset. And I'm gonna have a record. It's
Damn,
not funny either.
They gonna take our phones too, so we can't even get on video watching. We just gonna have to sit there and look at the
They
wall.
gonna take the phones when we in the jail?
Yep. We're gonna take all your property. You're gonna be searched. We're gonna take all your property to the jail. You're gonna be booked in, released with a citation, and you're gonna be out. And you're gonna get all your stuff back. Okay. That's how that works.
So we can't have.
So when we go into booking,
No, you cannot have your
we
phone
going
in
in a
jail.
cell.
No, you're not.
I know we pissing them off. What the hell?
She just shook her head.
Okay. Also, I got some like shorts on,
Yeah,
but
we can't.
I don't feel comfortable because I
I
mean,
got you.
gotta
Would
take
you
them
prefer if a female searched you guys?
yeah, that would be fine.
It's
I
not
gotcha.
that we trying to take them off, and because
It's a room full of dudes up in here.
Well, okay.
Shorts you stole?
That's what we're.
it's underneath here. We try to take them off,
At
but
this point,
it's
y'all
men
just
in
want to see
here.
my ass.
No, we're not taking off my clothes.
Yeah, you got underwear underneath them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we can do that at the jail. I'm not trying to. I go take my clothes off in here.
Yeah.
What items stolen do you have on you?
I just got a pair of shorts.
One pair of shorts?
I think I have two.
Okay.
So just at the jail
At the
and bring it
jail, we
back.
will tow them and then we'll bring them back.
Okay, I got
Is that
you.
good with you guys?
So, can you stand up?
It'll just
Take your
be
bag off.
added on extra to the electronic receipt because we're going to get a real one right now.
Yeah, so they got stolen shorts.
My mama
on
better
too.
answer.
Okay, that'll just be added after. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Do we gotta go in cuff? Can I just get in the car?
You gotta be in cuffs.
Come on.
So stand up
I
for
don't
him.
want to just pick up the
Stand up for him. Well,
Don't make it seem like I'm
Can
resisting.
I
Excuse
send you
me,
my
ma'am.
money
Sorry.
so you can have it, put it in your savings, so you don't spend it. It's
They gonna make me spit my gun out?
yeah.
At the jail, yeah.
Oh, please don't do it tight.
There's a trash
What'd you
can
say, ma'am?
behind you. Understood that now. Have either of you two been arrested for stealing?
No, this is my first time. That's why this is scary. This is
Yeah,
scary.
I'm walking out in the handcuffs and doing this and embarrassing.
I know. That's what I said.
After 51 custody?
Y'all can barricade us like somebody in
You guys
front,
are only
somebody
pushing
behind.
charges against both, correct?
Yes, both and
All right.
both.
All right.
It's your car.
Ma'am, can you also set your phone down? You're going to
Put it in
custody.
there.
See you later.
I ain't gonna run, nigga. Damn.
Stop. Please stop. with the
I
attitude.
got it. It's not.
Can you
It's
sit
not
down?
how
Here.
You stand up for me.
That card goes with that one.
That card goes with your stuff?
With my stuff.
Okay.
With the black purse?
Yeah, black purse.
Okay.
I want my Mountain Dew when I come back.
Okay.
I don't even want to look at nobody. Just
I'm sorry. I gotta laugh to keep from crying. Because the last thing y'all want to see is me
better
break
laugh
out
with handcuffs, bro. Ah, that's tight.
Oh,
You right?
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm glad you would have talked this work. You ain't gonna do that.
Do you got anything else in the pockets, man? Or anything?
I don't know.
Okay.
Sometimes
I don't
you
think
need a
so.
hug. That's all you need.
You want a hug? Hey, at least we got some women. It's a woman for
I don't
something,
want
right?
that.
You guys are getting released tonight.
Oh.
Have fun tonight. Okay.
Again,
Stop.
I can't
Please
say.
be grateful and shut the f up. Truly.
That's not my name.
Hey, you searching in here, or you want to walk on?
I was gonna walk
That's
outside.
not
It's a little tight to search somebody in here.
My name is Stody.
Or we're going to walk out?
I'll come back
Wait,
and get
can
the
you put my
receipt
hood up?
and
We'll go
everything.
get it right now.
You can put my
Thanks,
hood
guys.
out.
No, we're gonna go out.
Damn. You just.
Hold on.
Okay,
Do I gotta do this too? Let me show you. The dark pink was mine.
Do you have any pockets on you? Yeah.
That's my card.
Sorry.
So the dark pink. But it ain't gonna matter whoever, because we gonna come back together. I hope we can really focus on it.
Can you write your stance for me? There you go. I just gotta check if there's weapons. Do you have a sweatshirt on under this?
No, just a
No,
bra.
just a bra. Okay, I got you.
Are you putting it on me now? You gonna put my hood up?
No, I was just checking it. So,
Cool. I don't care. I'm not looking behind me. I just want to go get this shit over with, and I'm going home. I ain't going back outside no more. I'm done.
I texted
So
my
I'm running to
boyfriend.
Daniel. I'm going home.
You know what's crazy? He finna come back from London. I texted his ass. I said, "Baby, I'm going to jail."
It's not
Like,
funny.
my dumb ass, you know.
I
shit
gotta
happened.
laugh to keep from crying, but like I think I've seen this too many times. I know we okay.
Okay, I don't have a record. I don't want.
I don't have a record
you.
either. What the?
Well, how much was it?
they're getting the citation or the receipt right now. So, we'll see.
We'll do the band notice for her. You do it for him.
Yeah. Do you want me to do citations for both?
No. If it's a citation, we'll do it for her.
Okay.
We'll do it for her. If it's an NTA, then it'll just be.
Okay, sounds good. You guys okay with
Yeah,
transporting
can you
her?
pull this up on my head
How
more?
much was the stuff?
Can you please?
How much you think?
Sorry.
Never mind.
How much you think?
They're gonna take these off when we get in there.
The cuffs? Yeah. Anyway, you want to do a secondary
I
real quick?
appreciate you not putting these cuffs on me too tight.
These are tight.
You do me tight.
They're not supposed to be comfortable.
Nah, I be
I've
seeing
never
them
been
videos. I be seeing them videos and y'all just be aggressive and all this stuff. It's what happened. This is what's happening. Just like just made sure they got straight into trouble. Hey, I don't got no record. That's crazy. How long does this gonna take to get off our record?
Does it get off your record? I'm sorry if we're asking a lot
Is
of
this gonna
questions.
be on the record forever?
I just turned 21 years
Is your pot or car unlocked?
This time 21.
All right, let's go back here. Man. Come on.
So forever?
Come on. We'll get it.
I'm sorry, that's only How do I get here?
Turn towards me. Gonna slide your button. That's the easiest way.
Oh, I thought you was gonna
No,
push me.
no, I'm not gonna push you.
Sir.
I'm not trying to do that. Or if you can put one leg in.
She's going to ow.
There you go.
Sir, I don't think
It's a little tight. I know. Yeah. Can you scoot to your left a little bit?
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Yes, it is. I told you that. Okay, when you steal, it's going to go on your record.
Sorry, I'm not gonna be.
You're good. Just asking the same questions a lot.
That call is fully admissible. Miranda versus Arizona protects you from custodial interrogation, not from your own spontaneous words. She then told officers the stolen merchandise was in her hoodie. No question was asked. No pressure applied. The Fifth Amendment only works if you use it. Silence is a right. She chose not to exercise it. That choice has consequences. Loss prevention documented the concealment before officers arrived. That gave them reasonable articulable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio. The detention was lawful. The stop was clean. Every step from arrival to handcuffs had solid legal grounding. Retail theft requires knowing concealment, intent to deprive, and failure to pay. The subjects established all three through their own statements. Walmart elected to press charges. Without merchant cooperation, officers have very little authority under most state theft statutes. Both subjects complied with the pat-down. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, voluntary consent removes the warrant requirement entirely. One subject requested a female officer during the search. Officers complied consistent with dignity standards in pat-down procedure. Officers separated purchased items from stolen ones before transport. You cannot charge someone for merchandise they lawfully paid for. Both subjects were told, booked, cited, released same night. Citation release is standard for non-violent misdemeanor theft with no flight risk. Property, including phones, is held during booking and returned on release. The 14th Amendment requires full inventory, nothing disappears. Subject 1, age 21, asked if this would follow her forever. The officer answered honestly. It will, unless she petitions for expungement. Most states allow expungement for first-time misdemeanors after 1 to 3 years. Sentence completed, fines paid, no new offenses. Expungement is not automatic. It requires a court petition and a judge's approval. One gap, no on-camera Miranda advisement before the stolen items discussion. Statements were volunteered, the case survives, but the gap is real. Officers receive an A-. Patient. Accurate. Procedurally sound. The search accommodation and booking explanation were both handled well. The deduction. Missing Miranda advisement before the merchandise discussion. Minor. Did not affect the outcome. Should still have happened. Subject 2 receives a B-. More composed. Fewer admissions. Cooperated without escalation. Shared liability still applies, she was in on it. Subject 1 receives a C+. Aware, articulate, legally curious, she directed all of it toward incriminating herself. Compliance and remorse count at sentencing. They do not undo the admissions. The Fifth Amendment was built for exactly this situation. Lesson 1. Staying quiet is not an admission of guilt. It is the most effective legal protection available during any detention. Lesson 2. Your phone call is not protected. Anything said to anyone before an attorney is present can be used against you. Lesson 3. Merchant cooperation drives retail theft cases. No complaint, no charges. The store decides, not the officer. Lesson 4. Citation release exists for exactly this type of case. Nonviolent, first offense, no flight risk process and release. Same night. Understanding the process removes the fear. These women spent 11 minutes terrified of something explained in 30 seconds. If there is an interaction or legal topic you want analyzed, leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out Bodycam Case Analysis second channel for more.